Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn about the async await in JavaScript. So let's see how to do that. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So you can see that here is the code I have written out. So here is the function and there are some console.logs over here, right? So this is not required. Okay. If I run that, this is the call API, then it should run, then that's that one. But this is the normal function that I have added, right? And you can see that it prints 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and the last it will first it's 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and after that it prints this one. Okay, so that means it takes time, it skips and run this first, and after that at last it runs this one, right? If I want this to be completed first, then second, then third, and the fourth, then how I'm going to do that? For that one, I need to make this function to be asynchronous, right? I will make this function asynchronous and wait for this API to complete. Okay. When I add the await, that means first it will complete, then it will run this one. Okay, that is the main, because I want this to be called first, then second, then third, then the fourth. That's why I make this function asynchronous and wait for the this part to come to get the response, then log this part, right? So save this one, reload this. So it will print first this one, then this, then that. Because sometimes whenever we write the code and we want that function to get the data, then we will do the rest of the manipulation in the next part, right? So that reason we have to make sure your function should be asynchronous, and if you are waiting for the function to get the data, so that's the reason we need to add the await for it. We have to wait for that API to get the response, then we will proceed with the further part, right? So this is the major sometimes you find this issue like this the like the same thing. If you are not adding the await one, right, and you are making the function asynchronous, right? So you can see that asynchronous you have made, but this is taking the too much time, so it will skip that part and giving the priority to the next console.log, right? So if you want in your scenarios like these functions to be run first, then this, then that, because the function on the function they are dependent on each other. So if you want that part, so you need to play with await also. If the function is asynchronous, asynchronous means suppose if one of your query takes too much time, it will skip out and move to the next process. That is the asynchronous, right? It will not wait for that one. If you want to wait for that one API to get the response, then you need to add the await function. Always remember, you can't add the await directly without asynchronous, right? So you can't take that because of it shows the error, red mark. Okay, so asynchronous is always working, await is always working with the asynchronous function. You can't add the await single one, right? So you need to add the with the async function that will work with the await, right? If your function is not asynchronous, await function will not work. So make sure your function should be async, then await will work with your function, right? So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.